In this video, I'll show you how to make your microphone sound better for free. I'll show you a simple trick using two free tools, Audacity and Adobe Podcast. So let's get started. First, open the Audacity app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from audacityteam.org. This is where we'll record our raw audio before enhancing it. Now, I'll record a short audio clip using my microphone. I'm using the Maono PM461, which is a budget mic, but this method works with almost every mic you have.
Hello, this is mic check 1 2 3. This is mic check 1 2 3.
Once you're done recording, rename the file and export it to your desktop so we can use it in the next step. Now go to podcastadobe.com and sign in with your account. Don't worry, it's completely free to use. Here we use Adobe's enhanced speech tool to clean up the audio. Now either drag your audio file into the page or click to upload it manually. Wait for a few moments while Adobe processes your recordings. When it's done, listen to the before and after versions.
Hello, this is mic check 1 2 3. This is mic check 1 2 3.
Without the filter, the audio sounds raw.
Hello, this is mic check 1 2 3. This is mic check 1 2 3.
With the Adobe filter applied, it's more crisp and clear like a studio quality mic. If you're happy with the results, simply click download and save the enhanced audio to your computer. You can now use it for your podcasts, YouTube videos, or any recordings you make, and that's it. You can make almost any mic sound better, even a budget one. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.